Hey everybody, this is Adam here. It's August 13th, 2014, and we're at the Popeyes Welland location. As you can tell, we had some paving done in the front today. And we have the new key, so let's go take a look. I haven't been in here yet today, so we're going to see this together for the first time. Alright, so right off the top, let's see if the power breaker is on for the lights yet. Okay. The digital menu boards are working, and I did see that. And that was pretty sweet. Getting there, getting pretty much there. Nice, eh? This is the Flavariety package that we tried so hard to get for St. Catharines but couldn't find from a particular distributor, which I'm not gonna name. But we went with a different distributor for the Welland Popeyes and were able to find it just like that. So lesson learned. Live and learn. I hear power on for something. This is a new arrival. Used cooking oil. That's exciting. We have lights in the staff bathroom. I know the guy who installed that toilet paper dispenser. And what else do we got out here? Oh, the Coke syrup has arrived. I guess theoretically we could go over to the Coke machine right now because we have all the fundamentals. We have the gas, we have the syrup. I'd hope that we'd have water plumbed into the Coke machine, so I think, boys and squirrels, we could probably get some juice out of here. And what do you know? I don't know if any of you who live in Welland are thirsty, but we could serve you some drinks right now from this restaurant. I guess this is all digital now. Fans and lights on, off. In our St. Catharines store. In our St. Catharines store, it's not digital like that. This, I don't even want to talk about that. Looking pretty good, don't you think? Just need a thorough cleanup. Wow. Yeah, all in all, it looks really good in here.